In ancient Babylon, King Nebuchadnezzar built a massive golden statue and commanded all to worship it. 3 young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, refused, choosing faith over fear. The furious king threatened them with a fiery furnace, yet they stood resolute. "Our God can save us," they declared, "but even if he does not, we will not serve your gods." Enraged, the king ordered the furnace heated 7 times hotter. Bound and thrown in, they were miraculously unharmed. A 4th figure appeared in the flames, protecting them. When pulled from the fire, they bore no scars, prompting the king to praise their God. Their unwavering faith inspired many.